In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter out data in a spreadsheet so that you only see and work with the data that you want. So most spreadsheets have this feature, and it's very important to learn. It's very powerful. So you notice here I'm in Google Sheets, and we have a list of football players from two different teams, New Orleans and Arizona. And you'll notice it's from two different years as well. You'll see over here in this column, we have 2010 and we have column 2022. Now, did you notice that that header row is already missing, and it's kind of hard to tell what the data is? So let me show you this, because in almost all spreadsheets, you're going to want to freeze that top row. And in Google Sheets, it's real simple. We go to View, and we go to Freeze, and we're going to freeze one row. And now you'll notice when I scroll that it's going to show all the data, but it's not going to move that top row so we can see what each column contains. So now we're ready to filter our data. Now, depending on the size of your screen, that's going to determine where this button is that you want. It's a button that looks like a funnel. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the whole sheet. The easiest way to do that is to come to this cell above A1 and click on there, and you'll notice the whole thing is highlighted, which means the whole sheet is selected. So all that's going to be able to be subject to the filter. And so now I need the funnel. Now the funnel may be on this row on your computer, but on a smaller screen, it's going to be hiding behind the More button here. And sure enough, you'll see it right here, the funnel, which is Create a Filter. So I'm going to click on there, and notice what happens is you see now these fields have this little funnel on it right here. So now I'm able to filter out things. So let's say I only want to see the Arizona players. So if I click on the funnel above there, I'm going to come here, and you'll notice it's showing everything. It's showing in this column, it's showing the values that are blank, that have Arizona in there, and that have New Orleans. So let me uncheck the blanks in New Orleans, and so now I'm only going to show Arizona. And so now this data is filtered. It's only showing Arizona. Now it's showing Arizona players from 2010 and 2022. So maybe I need another filter, because maybe I only want to see the players that are in 2010 on the Arizona Cardinals. So I'm going to filter this field for 2010. So make sure that that's the only thing checked. And I click out OK. And now you'll notice that it's showing 2010 Arizona players only. And then I can work with this data to do different things by creating this filter. So I created the filter by clicking, I selected the whole sheet first, and then I clicked that button. To remove a filter, we're just going to come back to this button and click that, and it's going to show all the data again.